Phil here with Transfer Superstars. I am here at the 2024 Impression Show. I'm with DT here at the AXISM booth. We're going to talk about all the new apparel that they have, some of the old collections that they have. And as you guys can see, I decided to actually use their hoodie. I saw that, or their sweater from last year, because it's a very, very soft blend. But let's go and take a look at the shirts that you're going to start off with.
Yeah.
So tell us what separates this from the market and what makes us different.
So this is our most popular t-shirt that we have in our collection. It is 100% cotton face. But the beauty about this is that backside is moisture wicking. So it's polyester on the back, but still 100% cotton on the front. So you can do DTF, DTG, you can screen print. It takes the heat. You can heat transfer all kinds of stickers like silicone. We have a new addition to the Dry Ease collection, which is the women's crop top. We have the tank top, and then we have a polo shirt in this. The beauty about this polo shirt is that the collar doesn't wrinkle at all. The construction is really nice. And then we have jogger pants. We have shorts, of course. So a lot of new styles in the Dry Ease.
Okay.
And then we have another fabric, which is Puma.
You said Puma is your newest fabric that you guys came up with?
So this is what I'm wearing. It is the Puma fabric. It's really smooth. We are the only one in the industry who's carrying this product. It's a new technical fabric that we created.
So explain. Let's go over there and then explain to us what Puma means.
Yeah.
That'll be great.
As you can see, like if you feel it, it's really soft, very nice. It's like retail quality. It's just a replacement of French terry, because French terry has loops behind. It's sometimes even the nails for the girls, it snaps. So it's spill resistant, no shrinkage, no fading of the color, holds the color better. It's 100% cotton face. Backside is also cotton, but we have a little layer of polyester in the middle which controls the shrinkage and no color fading. So that is what Puma is about. And we have all these new colors for girls, like the bone colors, our pink color, black. And then we have this hoodie. We have like pockets on the side, just so there's more space for your transfers. And then we have like a crew neck. We have an oversized hoodie. So a lot of new stuff. This is a new product as well, which is like a varsity jacket. What is different about this is that obviously if you see the inner side, the inside fabric, the patch on the back. So everything really focusing on people who understand their clothing brand and want like a retail quality. So this is what this is about.
Are there any minimums for these?
So we have no minimums. No minimums. You just set up a wholesale account with us and no minimum.
Where can they find your product? What's the website?
So the website is AXISM.com, AXISM.com. And there's a tab on the website which says set up a wholesale account. You just fill up that application and you're good to go.
And where are you guys located?
We're in Cypress, California. And we are available for will pickup as well. And otherwise we ship out the product same day. And we have good inventory. And you can always come into the office as well. There's a little showroom. You can look around, speak with me there, and we can go from there.
Okay. And I know that you mentioned that you guys are wholesale. It's easy to set up a wholesale account. But do you have the cost for these at all? That you guys can share the cost of the...
Yeah, for sure. So this crew neck runs for only $13. And the hoodies at $13.50.
Wow, that's a pretty good price point for what it is.
Pricing. Yeah, as you can touch, it's really good pricing. All the fleece one, it's starting is at $15 as well. And the t-shirts, they start from $4.60. They go up to like $10 depending on what the quality of the product.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. And again, no minimums. Appreciate you sharing all this information with us at DT.
Thank you.
Again, my name is Phil.
Yes.
I'll see you guys on the next one, guys.
Thank you.